Do you love popsicles? And do you love cake? Well, we've got the recipe for you. Cake popsicles. That's right, we are mixing two of our favourite things together. And to make it even more exciting, we are designing them into our favourite cartoon characters. That's right, we're going to be showing you Tom, Jerry, Spike, and Droopy. Who's your favourite? Let's find out when we try and make these super easy cake popsicles. All you need is 100 grams of melted white chocolate and, as usual, your food colouring. The food colouring will suit the design and the character that you're choosing to make. You can really have fun with these. You just fill in your cake popsicle moulds halfway, chill it for 30 minutes, make your butter cake mixture using 400 grams of butter cake, 200 grams of cream cheese, just mash it all together to make a dough. That dough then gets squished on top of your set white chocolate or coloured chocolate of your choice. Put in your popsicle stick and then seal it off with the rest of your melted chocolate. It's really that easy to create your perfect cake popsicle as a wonderful base for your fantastic designs. Now, you just chill that for 30 minutes, ready to decorate. Add some fondant icing for the hair, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ears, whichever facial features you desire, even pieces of clothes or accessories. You can also use melted chocolate, dark or milk or white, in a food piping bag to make your facial features. And there you have it, 4 wonderful cartoon character cake popsicle designs. Cakesicalicious. Welcome to Nyam Nyam's second round of Super-Villains Cakesicles recipes. We're going to show you how to make 4 more fantastic characters. It's so easy to do, you won't believe it. You just need a few simple ingredients and a little bit of artistry, a little bit of creativity, and you can make all your favourite character designs. So much fun, including Hela, Ultron, Galactica, and Loki. All you need is 100 grams of melted white chocolate and some food colouring to start you off. We're doing super red colour first of all. Pour that into your cake popsicle mould halfway only. Chill it for 30 minutes. Now, ready to get your filling. Get 400 grams of butter cake, 200 grams of cream cheese, mix it all together to form a lovely dough. Super fun. Squish that onto your set chocolate. Pop in a popsicle stick and pour the remaining chocolate on top to seal. Spreading it out. Chill that for another 30 minutes and Bob's your uncle. Ready to decorate. Who should we start with? Hela! Hello, Hela. How are you today? Ooh, Ultron. Ultra delicious. Galactica! Galactic gorgeous. Finally, it's Loki. Ooh, look at that fork. Who's your favourite character? Ooh, decisions. And if you haven't already, then check out our other Super-Villains Cakesicle recipe videos. Pick your favourite. Ooh, so much fun. Do you love super-villains? Well, you're going to love this next recipe. Nyam Nyam's going to show you how to make Super-Villains Cakesicles. That's right, with all your favourite super-villain characters, including Bane, Two-Face, Reverse Flash, and the Joker. But be warned, if you lay them all out together, this might happen. Oh, that hurt. Ow! Oh my gosh! Oh well, never mind. Right, you need 400 grams of butter cake and 200 grams of cream cheese. That was easy, right? Mix it all together till it's a mushy dough. Stick that aside, then melt 100 grams of white chocolate. Add food colouring for your desired character. Now pour your melted white chocolate into your cake popsicle mould, filling it halfway, then chill it for 30 minutes. When it's set, you can add in your cake mixture. Put in a popsicle stick and then cover it to seal it off with more melted white chocolate. Couldn't be easier, could it? Just chill that for another 30 minutes and it's done, ready to decorate. Add your fondant icing to create your favourite character. Wham! There you go. You can really have fun with this. And you don't have to use fondant icing, by the way. You could use Smarties, jelly beans, anything really that will help you design the design of your life. Two-Face, that should be fun. Which is your favourite supervillain character? Reverse Flash, Joker, Bane or Two-Face? Oh no, not this again. Hey, guys, cut it out. We'll eat you all. Get ready to make a super easy dessert. Yes, Nyam Nyam are going to show you how to make cake popsicle sticks. All you need is a few simple ingredients like melted white chocolate, food colouring, fondant icing, cake and cream cheese. Staple ingredients which are easy to find. And with them, we're going to be designing your favourite fantastic beast characters. And if you've got kids, get them involved because they are absolutely going to love making these cute cake popsicles. So, let's get started. First up, break up 400 grams of butter cake. Put it in a bowl with 200 grams of cream cheese and mix it together. That's your very easy cream cheese cake filling. Right, melt some white chocolate, 100 grams to be precise, and add food colouring for your desired character. We're starting with orange to make a pale orange colour. Pour that in to fill half of your cake popsicle mould and chill for 30 minutes. Then squish in your cake mix. Add your popsicle stick and seal it off with the remaining orange-coloured white chocolate. Smooth it over, making sure it's evenly spread. And then you just chill it for another 30 minutes. Once it's ready, you can start designing. Adding fondant icing to create your character. Leaf Man. And you can just use the same technique to create different designs with fondant icing on your white chocolate base. Fantastic beasts ahoy! And you can use different types of chocolate, dark chocolate if you want it to be a dark brown colour, milk chocolate, medium brown, white chocolate's fantastic if you want to use different bright colours. And then just use fondant icing to create facial features, hair, hands, arms, clothes, anything you like. And maybe some accessories too.